Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is Excel tips and tricks for efficient data entry in 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So here are some Excel tips and tricks for efficient data entry. What you're going to do is open up your Excel, and here, as you can see, I have readily available data for this tutorial. So first is use the tab key. On your keyboard, just press the tab key to move the next cell. Instead of using your mouse to move between cells, you can use the tab key to move next cell in a row. If you need to move to the next row, use the enter key. Next is use the autofill feature to quickly fill in a series of data. If you have a series of data that you need to enter, such as dates or number, you can use the autofill feature. So just enter the few items in the series. Then here, for example, in this number, click and drag the fill. And as you can see, it will copy. And if you want to fill the series, just click here on fill series. And now, it will automatically fill the numbers. Next is, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Excel has a lot of keyboard shortcuts that can help you save time when entering data. For example, if you highlighted this one and press Ctrl+C, you can copy the data. And Ctrl+V to paste. And Ctrl+Z to undo the action. So just remember that, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and Ctrl+Z. Next is the data validation feature. Data validation feature to prevent errors. If you want to make sure that users enter data in a specific format or range, you can choose the data validation feature. This will prevent users from entering invalid data and will save time in a long run. So here, pick from a list of rules to the limit type of data that can be entered in a cell. For example, you can provide a list of values like 1, 2, 3, or allow numbers greater than 1,000 as valid entries. You can also use flash fill feature. So you can see here the flash fill. Use the flash fill feature to quickly clean up data. If you have a large amount of data that needs to be formatted or cleaned up, you can use the flash feature. The feature will be automatically fill in database on patterns it recognizes your data. These are just a few Excel tips and tricks that can help you with efficient data entry. With practice, you'll become faster and more efficient at entering data in Excel. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!